The truck's gonna go bye-bye and take some more gravel.
Is it going to bring gravel to Grammy Shoe's house? To put on her road?
There's a road. There's a gravel. And here's this.
What is that?
A bulldozer.
A bulldozer?
The wheels are stuck.
Oh.
I need that shovel.
Okay. Do you remember what it's called en français?
Uh-huh.
What is it?
A camion.
Un camion. Et la pelle?
A pail.
La pelle.
A pail.
That's la pelle. That is a shovel. And the camion is a truck.
I forgot my handy-mandy shovel.
What kind of shovel do you have?
A handy-mandy shovel.
A handy-mandy shovel?
Yeah.
Is it at your house?
Yeah.
Oh.
Forgot to bring it. I forgot to bring it.
Oh, you forgot to bring it? Well, maybe next time. Oh, that fire truck is full of sand.
Yeah. That fire truck is.
Well, you have a lot of work to do, huh? Are you a busy guy? Oh, watch out so the sand doesn't get in your eyes.
The sand will come out.
It won't come out? Do you need help? Should Grammy Shoe help you? You kind of have to shake it.
It made tracks.
Yeah,
It made their tracks.
pretty cool.
And this made two tracks.
Yep, I see that.
It's to make a castle.
To make a castle?
Uh-huh.
Ooh,
Castle.
a chateau?
Statue.
Oh, un beau chateau.
Devils.
Deux. What are they called in French again?
Doors.
Dos? Deux pelles? Deux pelles.
The pen.
Deux pelles et trois camions.